Here are some different shapes that you can use for quilling. What we're going to use are the round teardrop and marquee, which looks like an eye. What you need is a sheet of paper. I used about a 5x7. You need different colors, strips of paper. I made the different quilling shapes ahead, just the round. Glue, I used a glue stick. The bottle glue will make the paper wrinkle. And I used a pen cap to make the round quills. You can also use a quilling tool. And what I use is to take the pen cap, you get the skinny end, you put the piece of paper up, and then just kind of hang on to the paper and start rolling. I made a bunch ahead of time because it makes my hands hurt. What I did, okay, so when you're ready to start making, once you've rolled the whole thing, take it off the pen cap, get out, take the lid off the glue stick. I let it loosen a little bit, and then the very end, the outside end, you put glue, enough glue on there, it takes a fair amount, and then you can either just hang on to it, or you can put the pen cap in and hold on against the end. And you do have to hang on to it for about 10-15 seconds because it'll pop open. Once you've made a bunch of them and shaped them, and you have a bunch of I like to have several different shapes, where they're very loose, the very tight, and then you just want to have a variety and arrange the quills into a flower or a heart. Okay, and to glue them down, I didn't put glue all over the paper. I tried to do several at once and it didn't work. I put down glue for one or two, and because the glue stick dries really quickly, and you need enough on there to make sure it'll stay. And what I found is that the glue stick gets very attached to the paper, and so when you go to remove it goes pop. And for the leaves, you're going to want to use the teardrop shape and the marquee shape. For the teardrop, I chose one that was not as tightly wrapped. What you do is you find the end where you glued, you put that at the top, you pinch, and you pinch the top, and you kind of pinch as many of the quills. You make a couple of those. And then for the marquee, I made a couple of these. You just pinch, again, you find the end, the paper, pinch two ends, kind of pinch as many in the middle as you need, and you're good to go. Alright, and once you finish gluing everything down, make sure there's nothing you need to add. And then you get to admire your work once the glue is dried, and you're done.